Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Educare1. As you know, in this channel we are discussing about a journey with English language speaking. So in this 6th day of this journey, we are discussing about how can we use simple present tense or present indefinite tense to make sentences or to express our thoughts into sentence. Here is a routine of a student. Let's see the routine, and the routine is already in present indefinite or simple present tense. So the use of this tense, that is simple present, is already discussed here. Let's see. My daily routine. I am very punctual in my student life. Full stop. Like another students, I have a daily routine that starts at 4:30 a.m. and ends with planning the next day's work at 10 p.m. Full stop. I wake up at 4:30 and do meditation and exercises for an hour. Full stop. Then I make me a fresh and study till 9:30 a.m. I take my breakfast at 8 a.m. Within this period, full stop. I have my bath and lunch after getting up from my studies at 9:30 a.m. full stop. Then I start for school at 10:30 a.m. full stop. The school is 5 minutes walk from my home full stop. At school, I read and write my lessons attentively with my classmates full stop. I come home at 4:30 full stop. Then I take some food and drink a glass of milk too full stop. My mother serves it to me full stop. Then I play games with my friends full stop. In the evening, I do my lessons and homeworks full stop. I take my dinner usually at 9 p.m. full stop. Then I say good night to my parents, plan for the next day, and go to bed. That's all today. Thank you.